Moment and you are watching News Moment English. Today's headline: Blanket distribution on Netaji Jayanti under the leadership of BJP leader Krishnendu Mukherjee. 38th Foundation Day of Kali Pahadi Dharm Chakra Seva Samiti. ECL Underground Court will now be guarded by high-quality CCTV. The historical and traditional yellow taxi, which are considered the city's signature, will once again ply the street with their older glory.
Please like, share and subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563 830285.
Start shipping with Ecom Delivery. For PIN code franchise courier contact. Please contact 9774030 17593 to 758-597-1093.
Hours after complaining to the medical superintendent of Rajendra Medical College and Hospital, Patiala.
It is worth mentioning that 9 doctors submitted a letter complaining about persistent harassment and verbal abuse by farmers and media personnel. The letter named Jagjit Singh Dallewal, who has been on hunger strike for close to 2 months, and his supporters as the perpetrators of multiple incidents of verbal abuse. The doctors also wrote that they could no longer continue their duties at the Khanori border because of the repeated incidents. Despite their concerns, they returned to duty later in the day. In the afternoon, Dr. Jagpalinder Singh, civil surgeon of Patiala, came to Khanori to interact with Dallewal, other farmer union leaders and the medical team. Dr. Singh said, "The matter has been sorted out and now all the doctors have come back to Khanori. The issues between the doctors and the farmers have been sorted out." According to the government, nearly 55 senior and junior doctors have been deputed at the Khanori border within 8-kilometer radius of the protest site and they work in 3 shifts. About 8-9 doctors remain present near Dallewal's stage round the clock, in addition to staff at temporary hospital set up in a restaurant about 8 kilometers away and staff into acute life-saving ambulances. On the other hand, when his hunger strike entered its 58th day, Dallewal was shifted to a modern, spacious, and well-ventilated trolley contemporary room near the stage to ensure proper light and air. He has been on 4 fluids since midnight on January 18.
In Asansol, criminals entered the house of the furniture businessman.
As per reports from Sitaram, an incident in the Hillview area under Asansol South Police Station on Friday morning caused a sensation. It is said that 2 armed criminals entered the house of a big furniture businessman of the city in broad daylight and put a gun on the temple of the employee. However, no crime was committed there. The news of the incident spread sensation in the entire area. They can be seen entering and leaving through CCTV cameras. The police is investigating the matter. Ali, a worker at the house, says that 2 young men came in the morning. They had weapons. They put a gun to his temple. After some time they left. After this, the police arrived for investigation. After this incident, the people around are in panic. Police say that after investigation it will be clear what the whole matter is.
Blanket distribution on Netaji Jayanti under the leadership of BJP leader Krishnendu Mukherjee.
As per reports from Binu Srivastava, the 128th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was celebrated in ECL's Bajdi Kaluri area under Kulti Assembly constituency of Asansol, West Bengal. During this, BJP state-level leader Krishnendu Mukherjee paid tribute by offering flowers to the statue of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. He also threw light on the life and ideals of Netaji. Apart from this, he distributed blankets among more than 500 poor and helpless people of the area. During this, Krishnendu Mukherjee said that he is definitely involved in politics, but apart from politics, he never forgets to do social service. That is why the people of Shilpanchal know and recognize him due to his many social service works. Along with this, he has also distributed blankets among the poor and helpless people of the area and will continue to do so in future too.
38th Foundation Day of Kali Pahadi Dharm Chakra Seva Samiti.
As per reports from Wasim Khan, the 38th Foundation Day of Kali Pahadi Dharma Chakra Seva Samiti located in Ghagarbudhi Temple Complex of Asansol was celebrated. A blood donation camp was organized on this occasion. Along with this, a proposal was taken to build a Parvati temple and canteen. The executive of the committee was reconstituted. Founder Radha Govind Singh said that Rupesh Sao has been reappointed as president, Radhesham Singh as vice president, Dr. Deepak Mukherjee as secretary, Jitendra Keva and Sushant Hajra as assistant secretaries, Vikas Singh as treasurer and Madan Thakur as joint treasurer, Nayan Thakur and Mithilesh Pandey as conveners and Ajay Singh as executive member. Haridas Gore, Pramod Singh, Ashish Mukherjee, Rahul Singh, Sanjay Singh, Abhijit Ghosh, Chand Sharma, Mahendra Sao etc. were present on the occasion. It is the 38th Foundation Day of the committee. 20 units of blood were collected in the camp. Asansol Railway has decided to provide additional stoppages of 12,941 bata 12,942 Bhavnagar Asansol Bhavnagar Parasnath Express at Shri Mahavir Station over West Central Railway, leaving Bhavnagar WEF 22 January 2025 and leaving Asansol WEF 24 January 2025 on experimental basis. 12,941 Bhavnagar Asansol Parasnath Express and 12,942 Asansol Bhavnagar Parasnath Express will arrive Shri Mahavir Station at 11:58 HRS, 15:13 HRS, respectively. The train will stop at Shri Mahavir Station for 2 minutes in both directions.
Regulation of train for construction of road under bridge over Sialda division.
In connection with the replacement of old steel girder of rail over bridge no 15 CCR in between Ballyghat Ballyhall stations in Dum Dum JN, Dankuni section by providing RCC box to construct road under bridge, RAB, traffic cum power block for 100 hours, from 12 HRS. Of 23 January 2025 to 4 HRS. Of 27 January 2025 has been planned. Consequently, the following arrangements in train running will be made as under: cancellation of Mail Express, 12,359 Kolkata Patna Garib Rath Express, JCO 21 January 2025, 23 January 2025, 25 January 2025. 13,179 Sialdah Suri MEMU Express, JCO 22 January 2025 to 26 January 2025. 13,180 Suri Sialdah MEMU Express, JCO 23 January 2025 to 27 January 2025. 15,234 Darbhanga Kolkata Express, JCO 22 January 2025. 15,233 Kolkata Darbhanga Express, JCO 23 January 2025. 12,360 Patna Kolkata Garib Rath Express, JCO 22 January 2025, 24 January 2025, 26 January 2025. 12,383 Sialdah Asansol Intercity Express, JCO 23 January 2025 to 25 January 2025. 12,384 Asansol Sialdah Intercity Express, JCO 23 January 2025 to 25 January 2025. Diversion of Mail Express via Dum Dum JN. Nehati. 13,151 Kolkata Jammu Tawi Express, JCO 23 January 2025 to 26 January 2025. 13,152 Jammu Tawi, Kolkata Express, JCO 21 January 2025 to 24 January 2025. 12,259 सियालदह बीकानेर दुरोंतो एक्सप्रेस, JCO 23 जनवरी 2025 26 जनवरी 2025। 12,315 कोलकाता उदयपुर सिटी अनन्या एक्सप्रेस, JCO 23 जनवरी 2025। 13,167 कोलकाता आगरा कैंट वीकली एक्सप्रेस, JCO 23 जनवरी 2025। 13,168 आगरा कैंट कोलकाता वीकली एक्सप्रेस, JCO 25 जनवरी 2025। 22,323 कोलकाता गाजीपुर सिटी शब्दभेदी सुपरफास्ट एक्सप्रेस, JCO 23 जनवरी 2025। 12,325 कोलकाता नंगल डैम गुरुमुखी सुपरफास्ट एक्सप्रेस, JCO 23 जनवरी 2025। 12,313 सियालदह न्यू दिल्ली राजधानी एक्सप्रेस, JCO 23 जनवरी 2025 to 26 जनवरी 2025। 12,987 सियालदह अजमेर सुपरफास्ट एक्सप्रेस, JCO 23 जनवरी 2025 to 26 जनवरी 2025। 12,495 बीकानेर कोलकाता प्रताप एक्सप्रेस, JCO 23 जनवरी 2025। 12,496 कोलकाता बीकानेर प्रताप एक्सप्रेस, JCO 24 जनवरी 2025। 12,379 सियालदह अमृतसर जलियांवाला बाग एक्सप्रेस, JCO 24 जनवरी 2025। 12,318 अमृतसर कोलकाता अकल तख्त एक्सप्रेस, JCO 24 जनवरी 2025। 13,165 कोलकाता सीथमरी एक्सप्रेस, JCO 25 जनवरी 2025। 19,414 कोलकाता अहमदाबाद वीकली एक्सप्रेस, JCO 25 जनवरी 2025। 12,317 कोलकाता अमृतसर अकल तख्त एक्सप्रेस, JCO 26 जनवरी 2025। 13,121 कोलकाता गाजीपुर सिटी वीकली एक्सप्रेस, JCO 26 जनवरी 2025। 15,234 दरभंगा कोलकाता एक्सप्रेस, JCO 26 जनवरी 2025। 12,314 न्यू दिल्ली सियालदह राजधानी एक्सप्रेस, JCO 22 जनवरी 2025 to 25 जनवरी 2025। 12,988 अजमेर सियालदह सुपरफास्ट एक्सप्रेस, JCO 22 जनवरी 2025 to 25 जनवरी 2025। 12,330 आनंद विहार टर्मिनल सियालदह संपर्क क्रांति एक्सप्रेस, JCO 22 जनवरी 2025। 22,318 जम्मू तवी सियालदह हमसफर सुपरफास्ट एक्सप्रेस, JCO 22 जनवरी 2025। 12,260 बीकानेर सियालदह दुरोंतो एक्सप्रेस, JCO 23 जनवरी 2025 24 जनवरी 2025। 12,358 अमृतसर कोलकाता दुर्गियाना एक्सप्रेस, JCO 23 जनवरी 2025। 12,320 ग्वालियर कोलकाता सुपरफास्ट एक्सप्रेस, JCO 23 जनवरी 2025। 22,324 गाजीपुर सिटी कोलकाता शब्दभेदी सुपरफास्ट एक्सप्रेस, JCO 24 जनवरी 2025। 12,326 नंगल डैम कोलकाता गुरुमुखी सुपरफास्ट एक्सप्रेस, JCO 25 जनवरी 2025। The following Mail Bata Express trains will stop at Nehati station of Sialdah division instead of Kamarkundu station of Howrah division and Belghoria station instead of Dankuni station of Sialdah division on the days of diversion. UP 13,151 DN 13152. The following Mail Bata Express trains will stop at Belghoria station instead of Dankuni station of Sialdah division on the days of diversion. UP 15,233 DN 15234. There may be delayed in train running during this period.
ECL Underground Code will now be guarded by high-quality CCTV.
This time high-quality CCTV is going to be one of the guards of ECL's underground coal mine. High-quality CCTV cameras will be installed in each mining pit for the safety of workers or to stop any unwanted person from entering or stealing any items. A mine has 5, 6 or more pits. A camera can monitor up to 50 meters inside the mine in the dark. Safety issues will also be looked at whether miners inside the mine are wearing helmets, shoes or gloves. It will also be seen whether the small trolleys that carry the coal inside the mine are going well. Ashok Kumar, General Manager, Safety, of ECL, said that there are 48 underground coal mines. the security of the workers there, or if there is anything inside the mine, all the pictures will be available from these cameras. For monitoring, these CC cameras will be arranged separately on top of the mine in the room of the particular colliery officer. Its monitoring will also be done by ECL's experienced staff. Each camera will collect images up to 50 meters.
Worker die, open pit, mine, accident.
A worker died in an accident in a private open-pit mine. The following name is Anant Sheel. It is alleged that the worker died after being crushed by a car in the mine area. Due to the incident, there is tension in the mine area. An employee of the company named Anant Sheel, 45, died in a private open-pit mining area near Banbahal at around 9:15 on Thursday night. Anant Babu, a resident of Chora village, was going to duty on bicycle. His mutilated body was found in the mine area. It is alleged that the worker died after being hit by big vehicle. As soon as the news of the death was heard, the mine site was crowded with relatives and locals. The protest began. Mining transport was stopped due to protests. Police arrived at the scene. According to local sources, dead bodies were lying in the mine area.
BJP submit memorandum in the Kulti Borough Office of Asansol Municipal Corporation.
तट पे बसा हुआ है। 17 नंबर वार्ड में एक बिंदु धोड़ा थी, जहां पर एक पोखर हुआ करता था, एक तालाब था। 17 नंबर वार्ड के लोग।
Let us hear what BJP leader Chaithali Tiwari says.
আজকে আমাদের এই জলের দাবিতে আমাদের আসা ভালো করে জানেন, আপনারা ভালো করে জানেন যে গত ভোট আমাদের কুলটিবাসী জলের সমস্যার জন্য, যেই কারণে 70% জল দেওয়ার পুরো পরিকল্পনা ওনারা করেছিলেন এবং সমস্যার সমাধানও হয়ে গেছে। শুধুমাত্র 30% রয়েছে 28টা ওয়ার্ডে। আপনারা বুঝতে পারছেন যে কুলটিবাসীর জল হচ্ছে মানুষের জীবন। সেই জল ওনারা 30% দিতে চাইছেন। কেন দিতে চাইছেন না? যেই কেন্দ্রীয় সরকার এই খাতে এত টাকা বরাদ্দ করলেন, 70% কাজ হয়ে গেল, শুধু 30% কাজের জন্য ওনাদের এত দ্বিচারিতা। কুলটিবাসীর ভোট ওনাদের চাই না। আজ কুলটিবাসীর পাশে আমরা রয়েছি। আমার প্রত্যেকটা ভাই বোন যারা এসছেন সকলের সহযোগিতা নিয়ে আজ আমরা ডেপুটেশন দিতে এসেছি। আমরা আশা রাখব যে নিশ্চয়ই ওনারা এবারে কর্ণপাত করবেন, কুলটিবাসীর কথা ভাববেন। যদি না ভেবে থাকেন তাহলে আমরা আরও বৃহৎ রকমের ধর্নার মধ্যে বসবো। দীর্ঘদিন ধরে আমরা ধর্না চালাবো এবং প্রত্যেকটা কুলটিবাসীকে আমরা আরও অনুরোধ করব যে সকলে মিলে আসুন এবং আমরা সকলে মিলে ধর্নায় বসবো এবং এই কুলটিবাসীর জলের সমস্যার সমাধান নিশ্চয়ই করব। দেখুন, মেয়র নেই তো আর বলার কিছু নেই। মেয়র হয়তো হ্যাঁ উনি কী কারণে এলেন না বলার সাহস নেই, তো সব থেকে বড় কথা আজ কুলটিবাসীর যে এত সমস্যা ওনার তো আসা উচিত ছিল। খুব দুঃখের সঙ্গে জানাতে হচ্ছে যে উনি এলেন না। খুব ভালো কথা, আমরা আগামী দিনে ভাববো। আমরা তো এটা নিয়ে আর ভাববার হ্যাঁ জমা দিয়ে দিয়েছি, আমরা ডকেটিকে জমা দিয়ে দিয়েছি এবং আমি জমা দিয়ে দেবো এবং তারপর আমরা ভাববো ধর্নার মধ্যে বসবো। দেখি আশা রাখছি যে উনি কথা শুনবেন আমাদের। যদি শোনেন ভালো কথা, না তো অনেক উপায় আছে।
ঠিক আছে।
The historical and traditional yellow taxi, which are considered the city's signature, will once again ply the street with their older glory.
A recent announcement said that the branding controversy surrounding these taxis has been settled, allowing these historic vehicles to be seen on city streets for a long time. Sometimes these yellow taxis were in trouble due to branding regulations. But this problem has been solved through joint initiative of state government and transport authority. Under the new scheme, these taxis will be modernized so that passengers can get better facilities. The yellow taxis of Kolkata are not just an ordinary vehicle, but they are an important part of the city's culture and history. Even today, these taxis play an important role in cinema, literature, and tourism. According to government sources, a special fund has been proposed to maintain and improve the service of yellow taxis. Along with adding modern technology, special emphasis will be placed on the safety of passengers.
At last, it's time for today's SMS of the moment. We hope
A mother may be educated or uneducated, but she is the best guide and the last hope in the world when you fall in your life.
you like our video. If you do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.